Hi guys, today I'm going to do a really short video to explain like how I figure what cards to buy and what cards to sell on eBay. A lot of people think their cards are worth a lot of money. A lot of people are losing money by selling their cards on eBay. So I've got this breakdown to explain the different, like kind of give you a basic understanding of what eBay prices go for. So like the profits you make. So for instance, this is my breakdown for eBay noobs. This is if you're selling items, cards specifically. Let's say you want to sell a card for 99 cents, which I see a lot of people on eBay selling cards for 99 cents. The penny sleeve that you put the card in, well, I put cards in to protect them, costs about 1 cent. You can buy them in packages of 100 from your local store and or card shop, and so based on that, that's where I got that figure, 1 cent. So that brings your profit down to 98 cents. Then you've got your top loader. And if you buy a pack of 25 top loaders, the cheapest price I can find on eBay right now, which is actually a pretty good price, is $3.49. And that's on eBay divided by 25 equals 14 cents each. So if you put your card in a top loader to protect it, which I do, then it's going to cost you 14 cents, bringing your profits down to 84 cents for the card you sold. Then if you buy regular envelopes, I can find envelopes, 100 of them at Walmart for $1. That's pretty cheap for envelopes. So a regular envelope is going to cost you 1 cent. It's bringing your profits down to 83 cents. Now if you put a regular stamp on a regular envelope, it's going to cost you 44 cents. So that'll bring your total profits down to 39 cents. The eBay listing fee costs 10 cents, and that's at my subscription level, which I pay a monthly fee of about $60-something a month to have that price. And that's above, like, I'm allowed to have 1,000 items in my store, and every item over 1,000 costs me 10 cents. So I do have over 1,000 items, so it does cost me 10 cents to list items. Some people might not worry about that and might just only use the 1,000 or whatever is allotted. So you'd have to figure out, your 1,000 divided by whatever items you have, so based on the month, basically, to figure out your total. But I'm just going to go off of the 10 cents it costs me at my subscription level for post an item above 1,000. So there's 29 cents. Hopefully that made sense. So there's 29 cents of profit left. eBay final value fee is 10%. And that's at my level. So my eBay final value fee costs 10 cents. So now I brought my profit down to 19 cents. So now there's a PayPal fee associated with eBay. It's 30 cents plus 2.9%, which brings it of the total, which is 99 cents, brings the total to 33 cents. So now I just lost 14 cents. Congratulations, you lost money if you sold a card on eBay for 99 cents. So basically, in order to make money on eBay, you have to sell your cards for at least $1.44. You can make money on this selling your cards for 99 cents only if, and it's very rare it happens, that a seller buys more than one card from you at a time. So if they buy 2 cards from you, I'll show you, I'll kind of explain how you're going to make a little bit of money doing it that way. So let's just times this by 2. So I'll show you what I mean. So say a seller bought 2 cards from you, so now you have $1.98. Okay, now penny sleeve, you're only going to use 1, right? Because you're going to put them both in the same penny sleeve. So that'll cost you $1. Now you'll have $1.97. A top loader, you're only going to use 1 because you can put them both in the same top loader, right? So that's minus 14 cents. So that now you have $1. And let me just do some really quick math. 3 and 8. So you have $1.83. Now a regular envelope, you're going to only use 1, so there's a penny. So it's $1.82. And then a regular stamp, you're only going to use 1, and you only need 1 for 2 cards. So that is 44 cents. So now you've got 7, you got 12, you got 8, you got 3, you got $1.38 left. And now your eBay listing fee. Well, you paid 2 fees because you posted 2 cards, so that's 20 cents minus 20. Okay, so 8, 1, 1. So you're now down to $1.08, and now 10% of your total, which was $2, so that'll be 20 cents that they charge you for the final value fee. So 0.20 minus equals, so you got 8, let's put a 0 here and 11 there, so then you got 9, so you got now 98 cents. And now your PayPal fee is going to be a little different. They'll charge you 30 cents plus 2.9% of $2, which ends up being about 36 cents. It's about 3 cents per percentage if you figure it out per dollar. So you're looking at 36 cents for your PayPal fee. So that's 2 and 6. So now you made 62 cents. So the only way that you're going to make money selling cards for 99 cents is if the same seller, and it rarely happens, I'm talking maybe out of 30 of my sales, I'll get one seller or one buyer that buys more than one item. Because they're usually just specifically looking for specific items, and then they'll use multiple buyers, or they'll use multiple sellers to buy things. So that'll give you an idea of what to pay for your cards. So now this is just if you want to sell your own cards, right? So now if you own a business like me, you got to figure, okay, I want to buy cards, and then I've got to sell them. So I got to, for profit. So I've got to buy cards. I've got 62 cents. If I sell 2, I got 62 cents of room. So that's why I say when you see cards on eBay for 99 cents, they're losing money when you only buy one card from them. So typically I don't sell cards for 99 cents. And I know that other people are getting the sales because I don't want to lose money like that. I'll sell a card for $1.44, so at least I'll make about 10 or 20 cents on the sale when it's all said and done. The way I ship it, I like to protect my cards. Also, I have like a little business card, and I didn't figure that into it because a lot of people don't ship big business cards with their stuff, but it costs me about $25. $25 for 1,000 business cards. So if you divide that, it costs about 2.5 cents a business card. If you divide $25 by 1,000. So I hope that gives you guys a good breakdown of selling on eBay, especially low dollar items like cards. If you're going to sell cards individually on eBay and you search up and you see somebody selling a card for 99 cents and you want to sell yours for 99 cents so that you're like right on the same level, you're going to be losing money. You're going to be paying them to buy your card. You're going to be paying eBay, you're going to be paying the post office, you're going to be paying for all this stuff. So let's just say you decide you're not going to use top loaders to protect your card. Boom, you broke even. 14 cents, 14 cents. So now your card might get there damaged and they might want a refund, and you will probably have to refund them because it arrived not as described. So that now you have to pay for them to ship it to you to refund them for the 99 cents, and they want tracking. Whenever you have an item returned to you, you have one choice. You can either refund them, or your second choice is you can pay for their shipping to return it to you. And that's the eBay options. So most people just will, on a 99 cent item, they'll just refund them. So now they just got the card for free, and you paid 14 cents for them to buy it from you, plus actually you paid $1.13 for them to buy it from you because now you're out all the money. So you just paid out of pocket for them to have a free card. So hopefully that helps you guys, kind of gives you guys opens your eyes about what cards sell, and I pulled all these. These are the current statistics I pulled off of eBay and off of PayPal. But this is for my store level. If you don't have a $60 a month store subscription, then you're going to be paying different final value fees and possibly different listing fees. But the PayPal fees are generic. So even if you don't have a store to receive money from goods sold, it's going to cost you 30 cents for the transaction plus 2.9% of whatever the total cost of the item was. I hope you guys enjoyed this explanation. It's a real brief understanding of eBay. I figured since there are lots of people out there that think, well, I want to start my own eBay store, and I have a lot of cards I want to sell. It's probably better to sell your cards in bulk unless you have a whole bunch of cards that are worth more than 99 cents. And you can search up on eBay to figure that out. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next video.